Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted destination for no-nonsense reviews and real-world product insights. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best electric shaver in the game right now. It's rechargeable, waterproof, cordless, and built for sensitive skin. Meet the SHPAVVER electric razor for men. Let's kick things off with design and build. The first thing you'll notice is the classic black finish that gives this razor a premium, masculine feel. But it's not just about looks, it's ergonomic, lightweight, and made to fit comfortably in your hand whether you're shaving at home or on the move. This razor is 100% waterproof with a wet, dry design, meaning you can use it with shaving foam, gel, or completely dry, even in the shower. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures durability, and cleanup is as simple as rinsing it under the tap. Convenience meets hygiene. Now let's talk about performance. The SHPAVVER features advanced 4D flex rotary blades. These aren't your typical fixed blades. They flex and pivot to follow the contours of your face, jawline, and neck, reducing the risk of nicks or irritation. And thanks to its built-in skin guard system, it's a game changer for anyone with sensitive skin. Powering this bad boy is easy with its USB-A fast charging support. You get a full charge in just 1.5 hours, which gives you up to 60 minutes of cordless shaving time. That's a full month's worth of shaves for most people. No cords, no stress. Just remember, the wall adapter is not included, so you'll need to use your own. One standout feature that really sets it apart is the pop-up precision trimmer. Whether you're lining up sideburns, shaping a beard, or cleaning up your neckline, this tool gets it done quickly and accurately. It's like having a barber's touch at home, no extra attachments needed. The LED power display is a subtle but incredibly useful addition. No more guessing how much battery you have left before a meeting or night out. You'll know exactly when to recharge. And if you travel often, you'll love this. The SHPAVVER is lightweight, compact, and travel-friendly. It even comes with a travel lock to prevent accidental power-ons in your bag. It's built for the gym, business trips, and life on the go. To wrap it up, the SHPAVVER electric razor combines premium features, smart design, and everyday practicality. Whether you're upgrading from a basic shaver or looking for something better for your skin, this one checks all the boxes. It's efficient, powerful, and totally worth it. If you're looking for the best electric razor that's rechargeable, waterproof, and made with real user needs in mind, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews, just like this one. Catch you in the next video.